Pop open a cold one. Here are a couple quick ways to keep your ice maker clean and running well. First, be sure you're changing the water filter every 6 months. Don't ignore the filter icon. A fresh filter keeps your ice cubes tasting great, but just as importantly, it helps to prevent hard water buildup that can cause performance issues with your ice maker. If the filter is difficult to remove, dispense a little water to reduce the pressure. You can also turn off the water supply to be safe. Next, every 2 weeks, it's a good idea to remove the ice bin and empty the ice. Towel dry the bin to prevent ice buildup and give the bin and gasket a quick inspection for any cracks. If everything looks good, replace it in the freezer. Finally, if you've turned it off, turn back on the water supply. To avoid clumpy ice, it's a good idea to dispense a small bit of ice regularly. Also, if you're going away on vacation, just turn off your ice maker. Now you can chill! If you have any questions about maintaining your ice maker, refer to your user manual or contact us at 1-800-SAMSUNG.